Kore.ai Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Kore.ai Chatbot Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my hands-on experience with Kore.ai, a powerful AI-powered chatbot platform. If you're interested in learning more, I've added links to the product in the description below. Kore.ai is designed to help businesses create intelligent virtual assistants and chatbots for a range of use cases, including customer support, lead generation, and process automation. What sets Kore.ai apart is its enterprise-level capabilities, making it an ideal solution for companies looking to scale up their chatbot operations and enhance customer interactions across multiple channels. One of the key features of Kore.ai is its easy-to-use interface. Whether you're building a chatbot for a simple FAQ or a more complex service, Kore.ai provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that makes the creation process intuitive and accessible, even for non-technical users. It also offers pre-built templates for various industries, allowing businesses to get up and running quickly with minimal setup. Another standout feature is Kore.ai's AI and NLP capabilities. The platform leverages advanced natural language processing, NLP,
By now, work
to
should be
understand user queries accurately, offering personalized and context-aware responses. This is crucial for creating an engaging experience, as the chatbot can seamlessly handle complex requests, understand intent, and offer solutions that feel natural and intuitive. For businesses looking to provide multi-channel support, Kore.ai excels in omni-channel integration. It supports popular messaging platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Slack, as well as voice channels like IVR systems and phone calls, ensuring your chatbot is accessible where your customers are. This level of flexibility allows businesses to deliver consistent support no matter the communication channel. Kore.ai also offers analytics and reporting features, enabling businesses to monitor chatbot performance, track metrics, and gather insights to continuously improve the chatbot's efficiency. The platform is scalable, making it suitable for small businesses, as well as large enterprises, with advanced customization and integration capabilities for more complex workflows. Pricing for Kore.ai is based on different tiers, and they offer enterprise-level plans with custom solutions for larger organizations. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, the value it offers in terms of flexibility, scalability, and AI-powered features is impressive. Overall, it is an excellent choice for businesses that need advanced, scalable, and highly customizable chatbots. It excels in AI-driven customer interactions, multi-channel support, and ease of use, making it a top contender for businesses looking to enhance their customer experience. If you're in the market for an enterprise-grade chatbot platform, I highly recommend giving Kore.ai a try. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.